Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel 2021 in practice, Chapter 2 Independent Project 2 to 4. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your project by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, and many more online courses. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I am also handling many students courses on Pearson, McGraw-Hill, Simnet, Cengage, Miltab, Blackboard, and many more colleges and universities. I will provide you A plus grade. You will be free from this course. I will do your all assignments, all simulation, or simulation exam, midterm exam, and final exam. Let's start our project to solve step by step. Okay. Title of project is that Excel 2021 in practice, Chapter 2 Independent Project 2 to 4. Okay, I will highlight this. You can see here. Now independent project 2 to 4. Okay, Central Syria Insurance sets bonus percentage based on commission earned by each agent and calculates totals. Okay, percentage on commission earned by each agent and calculates total by branch of office. Here is skill covered in this project. We will skill covered in this project. Create, copy, and edit formulas. Name cell ranges. Set mathematically order of operations. Set cell references to be absolute. Use the now function. Use HLOOKUP and VLOOKUP. Use the sum if function. Build an if function. Now moving on question number 1. Question number 1 is that open the start file Central Syria to XLS workbook. Okay, open the start file Central Syria to XLS workbook. If the workbook open in protected view, click the enable editing button so you can modify it. The file will be renamed automatically to include your name. Okay, change the project file name if directed to do your instructor save it. Basically in this question we will open the Excel workbook Central Syria to XLS. If the file is protected view, we will enable the editing. Okay, if the workbook open as protected view, click the enable editing button so you can modify it. Click on enable editing button. The next question is that question number 2. In question number 2, select the table sheet, select cell A6 to B10 and create name range using the create from selection button. Formula step, define name group. Okay, basically in this question we will select the table sheet and then select cell A6 to B10. Click on table sheet. We will select cell A6 to B10. Select A6 to B10. Okay, now go to the formula tab and create range names using the create from selection button. Go to the formula tab. In the define names group, click on create from selection button. Click on OK. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is that use cell B1 to F1 and click the name box. Name the selection H rates. Note the first row is arranged in ascending order. Okay, we will select cell B1 to F1. Click on cell B1 to F1. Okay, and then click the name box. Click the name box. Selection H rates. Here is the name box. Selection H rates. Now question number 4. Create an HLOOKUP function to display the bonus rate. Basically in this question we will create a HLOOKUP function to display the bonus rate. Click the commission sheet tab and select cell F5. We will go to the Excel workbook and commission sheet will be switched. Click on commission sheet and then we will click on cell F5. Okay, we will click on cell F5. Okay, click on cell F5. Start the HLOOKUP function and use the E5 as the lookup value. Start the HLOOKUP function and use the E5 as the lookup value. Okay, press is equal to and enter HLOOKUP function. Okay, and then open the function. Arguments E5 as the lookup value for table array. Okay, E5 as the lookup value. Go to the lookup value and then enter E5 as the lookup value. Okay, then for the table array argument use the H rates range. Okay, use the H rates range for table array argument. Table array argument use H range. H rate range. Okay, point D is that use the second row for the row index number argument. Okay, use the second row for the row index number argument. Row index we will select second range 2, then click on OK. Bonus rate will be found in cell. Now question number 5. Question number 5 is that, okay, you can see this is given in the picture. Question number 5 is that format the result as percent style with 2 decimal places. Format the result as percent style. Click on cell F5, go to the home tab in the number group, click on percentage tab and 2 decimal places. Okay, you can see on my PC screen. Please follow my video and you can done your project by watching this video. If you do not able to do this project, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do complete project for you with A+ grade. Point. Okay, now moving on question number 6. Question number 6 is that copy the formula in cell F5 to cell F6 to F14. Okay, copy the formula in cell F5 to cells F6 to F14. We will go to the Excel workbook and then click on cell F5. We will copy the formula and then we will paste in cell E6 to F6 to F14. Sorry. Okay, use fill handle through F14. This is good. Now moving on, next question is question number 7. In question number 7, set order of operations to calculate total earnings. Select cell G5. Click on cell G5. Build a formula to add the commission amount E5 to commissions amount times the rate F5 multiplying by E5. Okay, we will go to cell G5 and then enter a formula F5 multiplying by E5 to the commissions amount times to the rate F5 multiplying by E5. Click on cell G5, press is equal to, and then we will enter a formula in cell G5. press is equal to F5 multiplying by cell E5. Okay, please follow my video and you can done your project by watching this video. If you do not able to do this project, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete project for you with A plus grade, and I will do complete course for you with A plus grade. Okay, press is equal to, the formula is given in the question, F5 multiplying by E5, F5 multiplying by E5, then press enter. $375.00 total earning is. Okay, close the formula, copy the formula and cell G5 to cell G6 to G14. We will copy down the formula through cell G14, through cell G14. Okay, this question is done now. Now moving on question number 8. In question number 8, create and copy a sum a function to calculate total earning by branch office. Okay, select cell E18. Moving on Excel workbook, click on cell E18. And start the sum a function with cell D5 to D14 as the range argument. Start the sum a function with cell D5 to D14 as absolute cell reference value as the range argument. Enter sum a function. Sum a function. The value is, open the function argument, cells D5 to D14 as the range argument. Range argument is that D5 to D14 using cell absolute cell references. Enter $, press shift and then click on 4 button for $. Press shift and then click on 4 button. Okay, press shift and click on 4 button for $. Now set the criteria argument as a relative references to the cell C18. Set the criteria argument C18. Okay, set the, now select cell G5 to G14 for the sum range argument and make the references absolute. Okay, select cell G5 to G14 for sum range argument. G5 to G14. We will select this column G5 to G14. Okay, then we will click on OK. Okay, now point is that copy the formula in cell E18. Copy the formula in cell E18 to cell E19 to cell E20 without formatting to preserve borders. E18 to E20 without formatting. Then format cell E18 to E21 as currency. We will select this range cell E18 to E21. Go to the home tab in the number group. Click on currency button. Okay, select this range first and then go to the home tab in the number group. Okay, go to the number group, click on currency tab. Now question number 9 is that total the earning in cell E21. Total the earning in cell E21. Press is equal to and then enter sum function into E18 to E20. Then press enter. It will find total earning in cell E22. Now moving on, next question is question number 10. Create and format the current date. Point A is that select cell G23 and insert the now function. Okay, go to the Excel workbook, and click on cell G23. G23 and insert the no function. Click on cell G23, press is equal to and insert a no function. Go to the formula tab in the function library group, click on date and time, enter no function, then press enter, click on OK. Okay, this is good. Now the next question is, the point B of question number 10. Select cell G23 and click the number drop down list and select more number format. On the number tab, select date category. More number format and select the date category. Select cell G23, go to the home tab in the number group. Okay, drop down list, select more number format. On the number tab, select date category. On the date category, scroll the tab list to find the date that display the more spelled out. The date is comma and 4-digit year 42101. Select the tab list to find the date that display the month spelled out. Okay, March 14, date a comma and figure out. Okay, you can see I have done 10 questions of this project. For remaining question, and if you want to do for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, and many more online courses. Please reach me out for your other courses like MyLab Math, MyLab Economics, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, MyLab Access, writing courses, C++, and many more online courses. You can reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I will provide you A+ grade in your complete course. You will be free from this course. I will do your all assignments, projects, simulation training. I will do your all simulation exam, midterm exam, and final exam with A+ grade. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my students. Thank you so much.